Hi, welcome to my Mathcast. The intended audience is grade 1. The learning objective is to use the symbols greater than, less than, and equal to compare quantities and numerals to 100, and this is created by Madeline Countryman. So, our vocab that we're learning about and focusing on today is here as shown. Our first is less than. Less than means a symbol used to indicate that the number on the left is less than the number on the right. We see that 5 and 6 are the two numbers given, and we know that 5 is smaller than 6, so we would say 5 is less than 6. Our second example is greater than. We see that it means a symbol used to indicate that the number on the left is greater than the number on the right. We see this in the example by showing that the numbers 8 and 6. And we know 8 is bigger than 6, so we would say 8 is greater than 6. And our next word we're learning is equal. And it means of exactly the same amount or value. And we see this in several examples, one being these. So we have 5 dots here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we take those two, we see that they are the same value, which means that they are equal. So that sign or symbol. And we see this in these two cups too, because each cup has the same amount of water, which means that they are equal. Our next vocab word is the ones. This word means the numbers 0 to 9 and also refers to the ones place. That is shown right here with the number 4. The number 4 is in the ones place, and it's these little individual units that you would use. Those are your ones, and that would be where the 4 is in a number for our place value. And then our final vocab word is tens. This is numbers 10 to 99 and also refers to the tens place, which the tens place is where this 1 sits, right here, and it's worth 10. And then our longs, as seen right here, are worth 10. So now this shows how to use greater than, less than, and equal to symbols with both their symbols and spelled out. And then these symbols we use with numbers in word form and standard form, and it shows the alligator mouth example, which we'll get to next. So here we see the numbers 85 and 75. With these two numbers, we know that 85 is bigger than 75, so we would make the alligator mouth open towards the 85, showing that 85 is greater than 75, and that's that in word form. Over here, we have 4 tens and 3 ones is blank to 4 tens and 6 ones. And we see that 4 tens and 3 ones, which also equals 43 right here, is less than 4 tens and 6 ones, which is 46. So again, this shows how to use those symbols, and then the symbols and numbers in word form and standard form, and the alligator mouth example. This alligator mouth example, we now know is that when the alligator mouth is open towards a number, that the number is greater than the other number, because the alligator wants to eat that bigger number. And then we see when the alligator mouth is not open towards a number, that the number is less than the other number. So if it's swimming away and going towards another number, that means that the other number is less than the number that the alligator mouth is open towards. And when there's no alligator mouth and then there's this equal sign right here, it means that the numbers are equal or of the same value. So now we're going to try it. So now we'll try it. We have the numbers 35 and 42. So we know that 35 isn't as much as 42. So that means that 35 is less than, with this symbol, less than 42. This is because that alligator mouth, if you can envision this the less than symbol as an alligator mouth, we can draw in the teeth, and then the tail, and then the eye. It's opening towards 42. So that means that 35 is less than 42. Our next example is with a word form of one number and then the standard form of 99. We see that we have the numbers 10 tens and 99. We know that 10 tens equals 100 and that 99 still equals 99. So which one is larger? Which one is greater than the other? Well, 10 tens is greater than 99 because 100 is greater than 99. So we would say that 10 tens is greater than 99 because right here we see that 10 tens equals 100. This is because the alligator mouth right here is opening towards the 10 tens, which also means 100. So that alligator mouth wants to go towards the 10 tens. So 10 tens is greater than 99. And another example is with the word form of the symbols. We have the symbols greater than, less than, and equal to. Now we can write those by writing it out like this, which is greater than, this, which is less than, and this symbol, which is equal to. And we have the numbers 90, so we can write that down on the line right here, 90, and then 8 tens and 9 ones, which is 89. So now that we have 90 and 89, what's our symbol that we use? Is 90 greater than 8 tens and 9 ones, less than 8 tens and 9 ones, or is it equal to 8 tens and 9 ones? Well, 90 is greater than 8 tens and 9 ones. So we would circle the greater than answer as shown right here. And then we would use the greater than symbol, which we wrote next to it. So right here, 90 is greater than 89. Or because this alligator mouth, like we said, or the symbol is open towards the 90, not the 89. So 90 is greater than 8 tens and 9 ones. So today in our lesson, we learned how to use the symbols greater than, less than, and equal to compare quantities and numerals to 100. And we also learned the meaning or the definition of greater than, less than, equal, tens, and ones. Thank you for watching my Mathcast. I used the resources of the Math Vocab app and Engage New York for my lesson, and this was created by Madeline Countryman. Thank you.